discuss second part of MCQ of vitamin and minerals. Question number 21. Which of the following is a coenzyme? A. Glucose 6 phosphate. B. Glucose 1 phosphate. C. Calcium ions. D. Lipoic acid. E. UDP glucose. The correct option is D, that is lipoic acid. Now question 22. Which one of the following is a cofactor and not a coenzyme? A. Biotin. B. Tetrahydrofolic acid. C. Copper. D. Methylcobalamin. E. Pyridoxal phosphate. The correct option is D, that is methylcobalamine. Question number 23. Which of the following statement describing vitamin K is true? A. Vitamin K is broken down by intestinal bacteria. B. Vitamin K is obtained by eating citrus fruit, spinach and cabbage. C. Vitamin K is not found in dairy or meat product. It is obtained by eating egg yolk and liver. D. Vitamin K is required for liver synthesis of prothrombin. E. Vitamin K prevent thrombosis. The correct option is D, that is vitamin K is required for liver synthesis of prothrombin. Now question number 24. A term infant is born at home and does well with breastfeeding. 2 days later, the mother calls frantically because the baby is bleeding from the umbilical cord and nostrils. The mostly likes cause is A. Deficiency of vitamin C due to a citrus poor diet during pregnancy. B. Hypervitaminosis A due to ingestion of beef liver during pregnancy. C. Deficiency of vitamin K because infant intestine are sterile. D. Deficiency of vitamin K because of disseminated intravascular coagulation, that is disseminated clotting due to infantile sepsis. E. Deficiency of vitamin E due to maternal malabsorption during pregnancy. The correct option is C, that is deficiency of vitamin K because infant intestine are sterile. Now question number 25. Which of the following statement regarding vitamin A is true? A. Vitamin A promote maintenance of epithelial tissue. B. Vitamin A is necessary for hearing but not for vision. C. Vitamin A is synthesized in skin. D. All vitamin A derivatives are safe to use during pregnancy. E. Vitamin A is a form of calciferol. The correct option is A, that is vitamin A promote maintenance of epithelial tissue. Now question number 26. Which of the following condition most rapidly produce a functional deficiency of vitamin K? Option A. Coumadin therapy to prevent thrombosis in patient prone to clot formation. B. Broad spectrum antibiotic therapy. C. Lack of red meat in the diet. D. Lack of citrus fruit in the diet. E. Premature birth. The correct option is A, that is Coumadin therapy to prevent thrombosis in patient prone to clot formation. Question 27. A 3-month-old boy present with poor feeding and growth, low motion tone, that is hypotonia, elevation of blood lactic acid, that is lactic acidemia, and mild acidosis, that means blood pH is 7.3 to 7.35. The ratio of pyruvate to lactate in serum is elevated and there is decreased conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A in fibroblast. Which of the following compound might be considered for therapy? A. Pyridoxine. B. Thiamine. C. 3-fatty acid. D. Biotin. E. Ascorbic acid. The correct option is B, that is thiamine. Now question number 28. A homeless person is brought into the emergency room with psychotic imagery and alcohol on his breath. Which of the following compound is most important to administer? A. Glucose. B. Niacin. C. Nicotinic acid. D. Thiamine. E. Riboflavin. The correct option is D, that is thiamine. Now question number 29. Which of the following vitamin becomes a major electron acceptor, aiding in the oxidation of numerous substrate? A. Vitamin B, B. Niacin, C. Riboflavin, D. Thiamine, E. Vitamin B1. The correct option is B, that is niacin. Question number 30. Which of the following vitamin can act without phosphorylation? A. Pyridoxine, B. Lipoamide, C. Niacin, D. Thiamine, E. Riboflavin. The correct option is B, that is lipoamide. Question number 31. A 2-year-old child present with chronic cough and bronchitis, growth failure and chronic diarrhea with light colored foul smelling stool, a deficiency of which of the following vitamins should be considered? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin B1, D. Vitamin B2, E. Vitamin B6. The correct option is A, that is vitamin A. Question number 32. Pantothenic acid is important for which of the following steps or pathway? A. Pyruvate carboxylase, B. Fatty acid synthesis, C. Pyruvate carboxykinase, D. Gluconeogenesis, E. Glycolysis. The correct option is B, that is fatty acid synthesis. Question number 33. Which of the following enzyme require a phosphorylated derivative of the vitamin shown below? A. Pyruvate carboxylase, B. Pyruvate dehydrogenase, C. Phosphophenol pyruvate carbokinase, D. Glucokinase, E. Fructokinase. The correct option is B, that is pyruvate dehydrogenase. Question number 34. A deficiency of which of the following vitamin is associated with occurrence of neural tube defect, that is anencephaly and spinal bifida? A. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, B. Thiamine, that is vitamin B1, C. Riboflavin, that is vitamin B2, C. D. Niacin, that is vitamin B3, E. Biotin, F. Pantothenic acid, G. Folic acid, H. Cobalamin. The correct option is G, that is folic acid. Question number 35. An African American infant present with prominent forehead, bowing of the limb, broad and tender wrist, swelling of the costaquadral junction of the ribs, and irritability. Which of the following treatment are recommended? A. Lotion containing retinoic acid, B. Diet of baby food containing leafy vegetable, C. Diet of baby food containing liver and ground beef, D. Milk and sunlight exposure, E. Removal of egg from the diet. The correct option is D, that is milk and sunlight exposure.